The Cybertruck bed is awesome. It is 6 foot, so it's longer than most beds. It has an awesome built-in power tonneau cover. There is one problem though with this bed, and it's not just this bed, it's most truck beds. The problem is stuff slides around like crazy. So I just turned out of my driveway. I'm going only about 25 miles an hour, 26 right now. It looks like everything is already shifted back to one corner. And then I'm going to slow down here. And as you can see, I just slowed down to about 10, and everything just shifted and slammed into the back of the bed of the... This is the custom bed mat for the Tesla Cybertruck. It's designed specifically for the truck, and it's meant to add bed protection while also keeping cargo from sliding around. The install is quick. You basically lay the mat into place, line it up, and adjust it so it fits correctly in the bed. Once installed, the fit looks clean and pretty custom. It doesn't look like a universal mat that was forced to work. It actually looks like it belongs in the truck. The material feels durable without being too stiff, and it has this practical all-weather feel you want in a truck accessory. It also adds protection from dirt, wear, and everyday use. So the reason I wanted this is simple. With the bed bare, normal everyday stuff can just move around way more than you expect, or like I had this tote sliding side to side just from regular turns, and it just gets annoying fast. Now with the 3W bed mat, this thing works. Even though the mat doesn't feel super grippy, once you put something on it, it's like Spider-Man's web. I mean, this stuff's gonna stay put. It's not moving. Like I'm forcefully trying to make this stuff slide, move with this bed mat, and I just can't. It takes a lot of effort to make it even move. But let's put it to the test. Let's put our stuff back in the bed and drive down the road and see if we can get it to shift. Let's put our seatbelt on, and away we go. All right, here I'm going to turn out of my driveway. Going down, I'm going 25 miles an hour right now, 26, 28. I'm going to put on the brakes. Dropped it down to 0. I didn't notice anything shifting at all. Right now I am at 0, and I'm up to 28 now. So I just did somewhat of a rapid acceleration up to 30 in my neighborhood with no shifting whatsoever of the cargo. All right, so we are back. Everything appears to be exactly where we left it. So not only does it provide protection, you can throw hammers, you can throw rocks, you can throw whatever you want, bags of concrete, whatever you want in here. It's not going to damage your bed. It provides protection, but it also provides a Spider-Man-like grip. So whatever you put in here stays where you put it. All right, I feel 3W knocked it out of the park with this one. The bed, it just fits perfectly in the bed of the truck. It looks like it belongs in the bed. There's little cutouts if you want access to your bed hooks. If your truck is equipped with those, you can still have access to those. It fits perfectly in the truck. You still have access to your underbed storage, so you don't lose any functionality. It's easy to install, and it solves the real problem of stuff sliding around in the bed. That is no longer an issue. The stuff you put it in, it stays put. So highly recommend this. Go check it out at 3W's website. I'll put a coupon down below. You'll save 35% off of your order. You can't go wrong with this bed mat. So overall, I think this is a fantastic accessory. It solves the real problem that exists about stuff sliding around in the back. And for a little over $100 with my coupon, it's a no-brainer. So check it out and let me know if you've noticed the same problem with your stuff sliding around in the Cybertruck bed. If there's any other Cybertruck accessories that you want me to test, drop it in the comments below and I'll see what I can do. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. More videos coming soon.